Hello everyone. How are you doing? And welcome to our community call. Thank you so much, first of all, for joining our today community call, which is going to be more exciting and very interesting for you because this time we are bringing something new for developers as well as non-developers community. I'm a community manager for to host for today call. So today we are here again with another important use case tutorial guide on how to create NFT ticketing booking Dapp using Express Protocol SDK. Before jumping right towards like what is the SDK and about ticketing Dapp, I just like to give you an overview about our main ecosystem project, which is Pandora Finance and its product Express Protocol. Pandora Finance is a decentralized ecosystem that leverages the existing blockchain infrastructure with an aim to increase Web3 mass adoption while realizing interoperability and inducing the liquidity to the multi-asset classes within the NFT ecosystem. Moving forward to the community call, we want the Pandora community, Pandorians, grow stronger and build a seamless NFT economy. As you can see inside the Pandora ecosystem, there are two current products. Unity Market, which is an NFT indexer. Like you can discover, analyze, watch out all the NFT projects under a single dashboard. Whereas our second product, Express Protocol, it's an one-stop solution to build NFT dApps, NFT Marketplace, auction marketplace, ticketing dApps, drop dApps in a matter of minutes without any development cost. Moving forward to Express Protocol, as you can see, our mainnet is live. Currently, we are running on two chain, Binance and Polygon. So let's talk more about what is Express Protocol. I know you guys heard more about Express Protocol and all about the things, but still, there are some very new features and very use cases for the Express Protocol. So just to give an example, an overview about it, Express Protocol is a product of Pandora Finance. An open source decentralized protocol enables anyone to create their own NFT marketplace or NFT DApp in a matter of minutes with just like few lines of code at no development cost. So Express Protocol enable users or developer to create their own NFT marketplaces or NFT DApp, ticketing DApp on two chain, which is BNB and Polygon. So today we are going to talk about one of the most important features and like most important highlighting uh, use cases, which is NFT ticketing and how you can create your own NFT ticketing DApp on Express Protocol SDK. So today we are with Nitish, a professional experienced developer. Hello Nitish, thank you again for joining today's session. Can you please introduce yourself and provide more information about Express Protocol?
Thank you, Shubham. Hello, everyone. Good to see you all guys again. This is Nitesh, and I am working as a developer in Pandora Finance. I've been working on Express Protocol since the start, and it is an amazing product for creating NFT apps within minutes. We are consistently developing the Express Protocol with the latest features in NFT space and working to make a better product for the community. Yes, Shubham. This is the introduction.
Yes, yes. So basically, you are a developer and you are the one who create all the products. This is building on an Express Protocol, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us more about what is the NFT ticketing tab and its what are the use cases of it before jumping to directly its features and all cases?
Okay, so what's the biggest difference between a normal marketplace and a ticket booking app? You will be able to create private collections in ticket booking app, and you would be able to maintain these collections separately. They by choosing the whatever the collection that you have created, and you can sell and list your NFTs directly onto the collection by using the functionalities that we are going to build now and the other thing is like you can directly transfer the NFTs which are in your collection directly by giving the addresses of the person that you wanted to transfer to. So these are the some of the most like different features that which are not there in the existing marketplaces. Uh, so now I would like to tell you more about like an Express protocol and its features. So NFT Express protocol is totally customizable. So you just need to design the front end and set up the wallet. So the multi-chain functionalities of the SDK to create an operating NFT marketplace for the DApp is very easy. So you can just simply download the SDK, install dependencies, connect your front end, and you are up and running. You have up and running DApp in your hands now. So moreover, it is a completely open source. It's a completely open source product where Express Protocol truly believes in crucial aspect of being an open source storehouse, thus granting developers access to information to index NFTs and successfully realize the vision of how to create an NFT marketplace or any kind of NFT dApps in a matter of minutes. So let me go to the features. So one of the crucial and exclusive features of Express Protocol is shared order book, which will enable you to list their assets on 100 other many different platforms, NFT marketplaces using Express Protocol. So, in simple words, you can list, trade, lend, or auction your NFTs across the diverse platforms built using Express Protocol to induce massive cross marketplace liquidity. This will help you. The shared order book will help you that. And lastly, Express Protocol has a royalty payment standard also for the both protocol minted NFTs and externally minted NFTs also. To support the ongoing funding on the NFTs, artists and this unique royalty payment standard enables the NFTs sold on protocol to be purchased, sold, or resold across other protocol applications, while allowing the NFTs creators and platforms to retrieve their royalty payments back. And in further we are coming up with more enhanced features like gasless minting, staking, and more in our V2. So stay tuned for that also, guys. So and then the next feature would be, so zero development cost. So Express Protocol is completely open source, hence it will not cost you anything to make any marketplace on Express Protocol besides the gas fee you will pay when you mint the NFTs. Yeah, here's the secret. Like soon you will not be able to mint the NFT also. Like you doesn't need to pay the gas fee for minting the NFT also, because we are integrating Bioeconomy Maxi SDK in our SDK in the Express protocol. Uh, so it is not a white label marketplace. That means that you will have the complete ownership of your marketplace. So we have created an user interface where the non-developers can simply go here and try to mint or create, like, say, experience the whole Express protocol, how it can be like how it will work and etc. So and we have created such a easy and developer friendly documentation. Everyone can and any amateur developer can simply come here and get to know how to use Express protocol. So here we are like in the previous community call we have covered NFT drop creation, in which we have minted, dropped, and transferred. So today we are going to do learn even more cooler things. I will show you how to create an NFT ticket booking app within minutes. So under use cases you can find NFT ticket booking app. So click on that and you will have a complete guide in our documentation. So without any further ado, let's get started with the guide. So we will make an NFT ticket booking app through the SDK, Pandora Express SDK. So in which anyone can create a private collection and mint in the collection and list their NFTs onto the sale. So tickets are basically ERC 1158 tokens that the owner wants to distribute in the market, and owner can also save some tickets for some particular addresses. Owner can then sell the tickets to the market using Pandora Marketplace SDK. So also for we'll get started. We You may need to connect to wallet, so make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed. So further that these are the prerequisites before we get started with the building the project. So these prerequisites must be required for you guys to get started with the project. So the next thing would be to create a empty folder in your favorite editor. We are using VS Code right now, as I've created a ticket booking app folder in the for VS Code. And in the next step, we will install all the required dependencies which are given in the doc. As you can see, the SDK installation, you need to run all these codes in the terminal, where you can find the terminal at the top, at the top, and you can click on the new terminal, where it will open the terminal, and you can run all the codes where you can install all the NFT node modules, and partial bundler also in the project. I've already installed this, so you can see this node modules once you have installed the dependencies. So here, after installing all the dependencies, here we are going to make an index.html file and paste the code for the front end. For so we provided a front end minimum, a small basic front end for you guys to get to know how the DApp will look on the front end side. So copy this code, and you need to create a index.html file in the area in the project, and you need to paste the following code which we are given in the documentation. So now we are running the app and with the live server, and see how it will look like. So in the live server, by clicking on go live, you can see the tab has been run successfully, and the front end looks like this. So you may see we have created all this functions and buttons for interacting with the doc. So for the interaction of the doc, we need to create we need to create a main.js file, and write some code for our SDK to be interacted with the front end. So without any further ado, let's do that. So now that we have all the front end ready, we need to go back to our doc, and we'll we'll see how you can do the main.js file. So here we have provided the main.js file code, and we have exposed all the functions that are required for the SDK, like for the DApp that we are trying to create now. Mm, so I've created a main.js file in the project, and I've copied this whole main.js, this code that we have provided here. And in this code, I'll explain the starting part of the code. What we did is, like, we have simply imported the SDK in our in our file, and this part of the code is helping us to connect with the MetaMask. And then after connecting it, we are successfully into the DApp, like we are connected to the blockchain. So the second part would be to define all the functions required for our DApp. So you can find the define like functions, whatever the functions that we are providing under protocol SDK, and under SDK functions, you can find all the functions that we have provided. So from there, I've copy pasted this function, this create collection function, where you can create a private collection on your own. And the second function that I've thought of exposing is defining is mint a collection, mint in collection. Through this function, we can mint multiple NFTs directly into the collection. And the third function that I've defined is sell in collection. Like this, we need to define all the functions that we wanted to put in our DApp. After defining it, we need to have something to interact with the front end. So to get the parameters from the front end, right? So that's why we have done some JavaScript DOM and gave some IDs for each and every element, and we have written this JavaScript DOM and connected the front end. So now that we have imported all the SDK functions and everything, the last thing that we need to set up is now came like we came to an end with the building part. So there is no code writing now. So we just need to run this project by using partial index.html in our terminal. So let's try to do that. And after running it, you may see the server local server and head towards this link, and you can see our DApp is up and running. Let me just open the console, and you can see here the MetaMask popped up. Yeah. So here you can see the website is connected to the MetaMask, and you can see it in the console also. You can see that the MetaMask is connected directly to the DApp. So here that we have proper front end ready, and then this front end is talking to the SDK, and that SDK is communicating with the smart contract. So let's just try to create a collection to see how it's working or not. Let's give some names, random names for the collection now, and give some enter some royalties like one, for example, and try to click on create, and you can see this MetaMask is popped up for a transaction, and you need to confirm the transaction. After getting the transaction is been confirmed, see, it's pending now. After the transaction has been confirmed, you can go to the transaction, and you can see what is the address of the collection under ERC 721, and under return values. Token address is a collection address that you have created right now, and you can see properly in Polygon scan also by copy pasting this address of your, like, you can see the transaction in your wallet. So like this we can mint the NFTs in the inside the collection, and you can sell in the either way. So that's it, guys. You have created an NFT ticket booking app from the scratch within minutes. So clap your back. So you can use numerous other functionalities, and create some multiple amazing dApps, like create amazing dApps with Express Protocol. And under this section called SDK functions, you can find all the functions that are required. So you can customize, you can play around the functionalities, and try to create an amazing dApps on Express Protocol. Yeah, that's it from my side, Shubham.
Uh, that's an very very insightful and very amazing that now the developers, not only the common community, also can create their own NFT dApps. So that's an amazing. So what are your thoughts about creating NFT ticketing dApp Express Protocol? Why? What are the benefits of it?
Yeah, so they in the normal NFT ticket booking app varies between the other marketplaces, because the other marketplaces doesn't have these kind of features, like creating an collection, or creating an like minting into the collection. These all things can't be done in a normal marketplace. So it's different to have like your own NFT marketplace and creating your own NFT ticket booking app. So it would be much more better if you have create using Express Protocol, because we have a lot of features that you can experience.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nitish. It was an insightful session, and I'm sure that our community members also felt the same and realized how easy it is for everyone to create their own NFT ticketing booking dApp using Express Protocol SDK. So I know some of you have so many doubts regarding creating NFT ticketing booking tab. So yes, let's start for the community question. Does have any sort of questions so they can raise a hand also and they can directly text on the space chat. Okay, so we already got so many questions that people are actually entering the all. So can you tell me how will the front end interact with the SDK? So it's a kind of technical question. So yes, Nitish.
Yeah, through so the front end interacts with the SDK through JavaScript DOM. So the parameters from the front end will be communicated back to the SDK using this JavaScript DOM. As I've shown you, we have created an main.js file. Under the main.js file, you can see all the NFTs, like all the objects that we have created, and we have assigned every object for these all values so that they can like get the data from the front end and pass it through the SDK. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so now this is the technical question, and I hope you got an answer very quickly. So we got another question from Aman. Why should I use Express Protocol SDK to create an NFT ticketing booking tab instead of using any other SDK or building it myself? I think so. It's an important question. Nitish, what's your call on that?
Yeah, so feasibility and features and like easy to upgrade from building on the scratch, like from building from the scratch is like very unique thing that you can do. Like but it's a very sorry, it's a very difficult thing that you can do if you are building from scratch. Like if you are doing it right away with the Express protocol, everything is set it up for you guys, and you just need to do a little things that will make your DApp up and running. So these some kind of features that you cannot have, what experience in other kind and other dApps or other platforms, where if you want to update your DApp in between, like some new features came into the NFT ecosystem, but you can't able to, you just need to deploy it again, your smart contract, everything should be. But that's not the case in our Express protocol. That you can, because you are using our SDK, if our SDK is updated, you would be also in the same phase, and you would experience the newest features. That will give you much more visibility for your product. Yeah.
So that's amazing. That's a very lovely shout out for the creating NFT tab. It's quite interesting that Express Protocol provides so many interesting benefits to its user. So, well, yes, someone you can now got an answer and you can create your own ticketing tab. So, check out our website and you can get more info that too. Okay, so we are getting so many questions. Okay, Aries, I enjoyed and understand all you said. Express Protocol is great innovation. Definitely, yeah, we are building and soon we will be coming to with V2. So there will be something more interesting for you guys too. We got one more question from a new guy called Young to Die. How do you think this NFT ticketing booking tab can benefit the event organizer or performers?
Okay, it's so one thing would be much more secure using this NFT, these kind of NFTs inside ticket booking app. It's so secure, your whole NFTs, and it can't be what like breached. And it reduces cost for you for this events organizers and platforms to like sell ticket, like all the paper waste and everything. If you are using in a like printing machine to do all these things, and it increases revenue by what like until some what in if your NFTs have some value, if they are being resold, it increases revenue for your product, and there would be a fan engagement also, there some kind of fan engagement where the person or the fan can own that NFT, and he feels like he's a part of the thing that you are doing. So there are a lot of advantages in using ticket booking app. So instead of normal ticketing process where usually everyone does. Yes.
I think so. Web3 is now taking in mass adoption in this field also. That's amazing. So now soon we will be looking forward for NFTs, ticketing, or like collections or like that from, and you can directly buy like any sort of concert ticket, event shows from like through this technology, right, Nitish?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we got one more question from Aries. Does NFT ticketing tab have everyday use cases for regular people?
Yes, I guess, yeah, it is there. There are different ways people are doing, like you can use, as I told, as we just now discussed, like people can use it in events or trips, or a small party, a house party, or anything where you are inviting your friends in a more engaging way using NFT ticket booking app. So there are it's no there is no limit actually. Whatever you think, you can do it with NFT ticket booking app, like where you can match your what like your event or organization to it. You can definitely do that.
Okay, that's lovely. So we have use cases for regular people also. So we got one more question. Alvin is asking about the like secret features, like which is your gasless printing function when it's going to be live.
So we can like this it is already there, like the gas dispensing function is already implemented, but you guys can send like you can click on the collab button in our website, so we can have a much more call, like we can introduce your DApp or anything in a much more better way, because it's an exclusive feature. So yeah, it is definitely live now, but you can click on the collab button so that we can have a call, hop on a call and everything.
Okay, so definitely try it out, Albion. Okay, we got one more question from Aman. Aman having some more interest in it. I'm not really sure if this ticketing tab holds any future. Can you provide some references where people are leveraging the benefits of using ticketing tabs? Yes.
Yes, there are some dApps that, like there are some products that provide ticket booking dApp, like Ticket Eat or the other products. So these products are like you don't have that ownership. These are all whitelisted products, so you don't have the complete ownership. If like why to use some third party product instead of creating your own product, like easily created NFT dApps with Express Protocol. You will have the complete ownership with your product. So I guess it's better to go with Express Protocol because you don't have the complete ownership, right? So yeah, your organization or the event tickets are safe and secure using Express Protocol. Yeah, Shubham. Yes.
Okay, so we got more question from Tatiana Aishi. After creating NFT ticketing tab, can I sell it to someone else?
You mean selling the whole NFT, the whole DApp is like possible if you are owning your ticket booking DApp, you can change your ownership or transfer the ownership to other people by just giving an address, by providing an address. That could be done.
Okay, so let's see if we can get a more question. Or like, guys, it's a free community call, so you guys have any sort of questions, you have doubts, you can raise a hand or you can just put it over here on a space chat. Or if you are having any sort of issue with lighting, you can, after this call, you can put it on general chat and you can DM Nitish also. So I believe let's wait for another questions. Let's see how the community interact with this community call, and let's see if anyone has any sort of doubt or something like that. You can start commenting on that. Okay, so someone is typing, so let's wait. Okay, any future features you have planned, Nitish?
Yeah, just stay tuned on our Discord and Discord community, we would definitely post. We are planning a lot of things on Express Protocol. Soon we'll announce it on Discord or anything on different platforms that we have.
Okay, so we got one more question. Will your tech team assist me in creating my NFT ticketing booking tab using Express Protocol?
Yeah, definitely. We are active on Discord. You can raise a ticket, or you can tag me and ask a question so that I can respond whatever the query you have. And we are providing multiple videos on how to create a DApp. Also, you can just have a look at our YouTube channel, where you can find all the things that we provide on Express Protocol with a proper explanation.
Yeah, definitely. I'll just like to tell you, all the community, that after this call, I'm going to definitely share with you the YouTube link where you can directly check out a step-by-step tutorial guide how you can create your own ticketing booking tab, the use of Express Protocol. So let's see, any more questions. They can raise the hand, they can directly chat, maybe, or they can use the general chat to talk further. Okay, I see we got so many questions, and thank you, Nitesh, for answering all the questions, and definitely looking forward for the ticketing tab to be hold new future on the Web3 with a mass adoption on Web3 scale. Thanks again for a wonderful session, and thanks all for joining our community call. Stay tuned for next updates. Till then, you can join our social handle. After this call, I'll just pin out on our general chat and announcement. Do check out our complete walkthrough video on NFT ticketing booking Dapp on YouTube channel. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for today call.
Thank you guys for joining.